Yes.
His Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19.
19.
19. Here I am for the respond number 1 to 4. Lordship, here this matter was just handed over to me only this week. So I will be allowed to take time around 4 weeks.
The learned additional advocate general, Mr. So-and-so, submits that he has received the instructions very recently, and therefore he needs some time to file the counter affidavit. Is for the petitioner?
Lordship, I am for the petition.
You are for the petitioner. Heard Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the learned additional petitioner is allowed, least up to 4 weeks.
Lordship, there's an interim.
The interim order past will continue until then.
Answer back.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. Lordship, here actually I was supposed to file the affidavit within this week.
Yes.
But it is still in the pending because of the ongoing pent-up strike. So that 2 weeks time will be granted here.
The learned additional advocate general, Mr. So-and-so, prays for some time to file the counter affidavit. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for a petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed, least up to 3 weeks.
Lordship, they may be fixed.
You want a date? You suggest on date?
18th of November.
18 of November.
May please, your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, I beg to mention item number 39. This is the 4th time the matter is being listed. I am the main respondent here, respondent number 789. In spite of the information, we have not been given the copy of the appeal petition, Lordship. It's really wonderful. And it has come to order stage now. We have informed the client that the opposite party to serve us a copy. But without serving us a copy, the matter has been proceeding. And in one point, the names which are given in the Vagala number was not mentioned here in the cost list. Even now, one of my juniors' name is missing from here. So I pray before your Lordship that a direction may be given to the appellant to serve the copy by Thursday because my junior is here.
Good.
And number 2, all those names which are given the Bagala Nama be reflected here in the cost list.
Okay.
Item number 39.
39 years. The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so.
Lordship, by the way, since we have not issued a copy, this may be listed in this admission stage.
Okay.
We have not said the copy. Yeah, I got it.
The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for respondent 789, has submitted that he is yet to receive the copy of the petition. The learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. So-and-so, has agreed to provide the copy of the writ petition to the respondents. The prayer of the respondents is allowed. The names of the the names of the councils representing the respondents. You give the names to him.
Lordship, I'm doing that.
Okay. Shall be shown in the cause list as the councils representing the respondents. 789.
Lord, let it become a listed in the admission stage.
Next week,
Lordship of
list next week for admission hearing.
Lordship.
May I please, my Lord?
Yes. Interim is there. The interim order pastel will continue until then.
May I please, my Lord?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item 33.
yes.
Lordship, in this matter, I am yet to receive instruction from the department if 3 weeks' time can be granted, my Lord.
The learned counsel, Mr. N. Angami, appearing for the state respondents, has submitted that he is yet to receive instructions. Therefore, he prayed for some time. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of Mr. Angami is allowed. After 3 weeks,
Lordship,
least
I-
after 3 weeks.
I am deeply obliged. Welcome.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I would like to mention for item number 44, 5 and 6, lordship. Hearing item number 45 and 6, lordship.
45 and 46.
Lordship. I'm appearing for respondent number 9 and 10, lordship. I
Yes,
may let the matter come up after 2 weeks, lordship.
okay. The Learned Counsel MS,
Apila sanctum, lordship.
Appeal Santam. Appearing for the respondents 9 and 10. Praise for an adjournment. Who is for the petitioner?
Uh,
45, 46.
Lordship.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, your lordship. Lordship, kindly grant me 3 weeks' time.
Okay. The Learned Counsel MS so-and-so, heard MS so-and-so, the Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of MS Sanctum is allowed after 3 weeks,
Lordship.
least of 3 weeks for hearing,
Lordship. Obliged, lordship.
along with item number 46.
Yes.
Yes,
Obliged, lordship.
okay,
May I please, Lordship?
yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention hearing item 47, 48. This is an analogous matter.
Hmm.
I'm appearing in item number 48.
48.
Yes, Lordship, I have a prayer. Kindly allow me to file additional affidavit to bring on the documents before this call.
You are for the petitioner?
Lordship,
You are for the petitioner?
yes, Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
What is your name?
Ali Boscom, Lordship.
The Learned Counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the petitioner. You make the order in item number 48. Appearing for the petitioner, prays for some time to file,
2 weeks time, Lordship.
prayed for 2 weeks' time to file an additional affidavit to bring on record certain documents. Heard MS so-and-so appearing for the state respondents, the prayer of the Learned Counsel is allowed. Least up to 2 weeks, along with item number 47.
Lordship.
May I please, lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25.
25.
Lordship. Lordship, here pleadings are completed, so can I this matter for hearing?
25.
Yes.
At the Learned Counsels of both sides, the pleadings are complete. Least up to 2 weeks for hearing.
Next. Please, your lordship.
Yes.
May I be pleased to mention here in item number 24 on behalf of my colleague Amy.
Hmm.
The lordship, I'm informed that the pleadings are completed. So let it come in the usual course of hearing.
Yeah. At the Learned Counsels of both sides. Pleadings are complete, so list for hearing in due course.
Your lordship, I also beg to mention item number 5. Item 5 on behalf of my colleague Amy, your lordship.
Hmm.
Here, she is yet to receive the clarification she has been sought for. So another 3 weeks will be granted.
The Learned Counsel MS so-and-so appearing on behalf of AIME, the Learned Government Advocate, Senior Government Advocate. Prays for some time to take instructions. Her prayer is allowed. Least after 2 weeks,
After 3 weeks,
after 3 weeks.
much obliged.
Hmm.
I beg to mention item number 29, Lordship. Lordship, I may be allowed 3 weeks' time to file a reply to the counter filed by the state respondents, Your Lordship.
29,
Yes, Your Lordship, 29. I'm for the petitioner. 3 weeks' time to file my reply, Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. Prays for 3 weeks' time to file a reply in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents. At the Learned Additional Advocate General, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the state respondents, the prayer of the petitioner is allowed. Least after 3 weeks.
Lordship, there is an interim in the IA as well as in the main petition, Lordship.
The
That
interim
may be
order,
extended.
the interim order passed earlier in the interlocutory application as well as the rate petition shall continue till the next date of listing.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 35, Lordship. I'm for respondent number 3, Lordship. So I may be allowed 3 weeks' time to file counter, Lordship.
MS so-and-so appearing for the respondent number 5. Prays for some time to file the counter affidavit.
May I please, Lordship?
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
Heard-
On the previous
Hmm.
occasion, this order was an order
Hmm.
to take steps upon respondent number 2 and 3 by way of trustee.
Hmm.
I filed an affidavit with regard to that. Steps have already been taken,
Okay.
so thereby,
You will be filing the affidavit today.
no, I've already filed the
You have
affidavit.
already filed.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner submits that he has served the notice upon respondent number one and two,
2 and 3.
2 and 3 by Dusty, and the necessary affidavit has also been filed to that effect. Yeah. After hearing both sides, the prayer of MS so-and-so, the land council put a respondent is allowed. List after 3 weeks.
Not this lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention, analogous matter item number 6 to 17 year. For the respondent number
6 to
17 year lordship,
Hmm.
analogous matter.
Hmm.
Your lordship, we are here to file our affidavit, so if 3 weeks time, I will allow them here. Next lordship,
yes.
lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
Hmm.
Lordship, the matter has been pending since June 2024. It's been over a year and the respondents get not filed their affidavit till now.
Okay, you file it
Lordship,
file it next time.
let this be the last opportunity.
The learned council, you were respondent,
For the respondent number 1, your lordship.
respondent number 1.
For the CPC.
The learned council for CGC. The learned council, Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of the CGSC. Prays for some time to file the counter affidavit. On the other hand, the learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. So-and-so, has pointed out that this is an old matter and last chance to be given. Where, after hearing both sides, last chance is given to the CGSC to file the counter affidavit,
Lordship, as well as the state government, they have not filed.
as well as the state government. List after 3 weeks,
Yes, your lord.
along with item number 7, 8, 7,
17.
7, item number 7 to 17.
6 to 17. 6 to 17.
Item number,
6 to 17.
you make the order in item number 6, then make item number 7 to 17.
Hello, Black. Your lordship, similar prayer in item number 32, your lordship. Once a second from the other side.
32.
Yes, your lordship.
The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of the CGSC, has prayed for some time to file the counter affidavit. Who is for the petitioner? You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
RMS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the learned counsel for the respondent is allowed. List up to 3 weeks.
Obligement.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28. Lordship, we have filed our affidavit in reply.
28.
Yes, your Lordship.
MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner submits that she needs some time to file the reply in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents.
Chief, there is an interim.
The prayer of the learned counsel is allowed. List up to 3 weeks. Till the next date of listing, the interim order pastorate will continue.
Lordship, I may be allowed to mention item number 30 as well.
30.
Yes, your Lordship.
Yes. What do
My
you?
Lordship, Lordship, I am for the petitioner's Lordship.
Yeah, for the petition.
In fact, the matters requires urgent intervention from this court, Lordship, because the two petitioners are already displaced. Their house were damaged. It's not livable, Lordship. And they have to borrow money, Lordship, from others because they're just poor farmers, Lordship. This is a matter concerning tool and road construction, where during the construction of their the road, their houses were, the ancestral home were destroyed, Lordship. As a result, they're seeking compensation, Lordship. I have a very simple prayer in this petition, Lordship. What the petitioners are praying is that to assess the property and also to award compensation. Simple as that, Lordship. So, Lordship, if instead of
I will give them 1 week's time.
Lordship, yes, yes.
I mean,
Lordship.
the counter affidavit. The learned counsel MS so-and-so appearing for the state respondents prays for some time to file the counter affidavit. Heard MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed. List next week.
Lordship, oblige, Lordship.
Yeah, please, your Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item 20. On
20.
behalf of state respondents, yes. We pray for 3 weeks, your Lordship. We are yet to receive instructions.
Mr. So-and-so appearing for the state respondent, prays for some time to take instructions. Heard MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed, least after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item 34.
Yes,
Lordship, there's an intent.
then in item number 34, same order, but one put one line. The interim order past shall continue until then.
Lordship,
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item 49. Lordship, the pleadings are completed and we would like to pray for specific date for hearing, Lordship.
Item number 49,
Lordship,
it is listed for hearing today.
third number, Lordship, on the consents of the petition, Lordship.
Okay. You are for the respondent.
Respondent 5 to 11, Lordship.
The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the respondents 5 to 11, prays for an adjournment. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the respondents is allowed. Least after 2 weeks for hearing.
Lordship, much good.
Yes, Your Lordship,
Yes.
I'd like to mention item 37 from the orders.
Hmm.
Service upon respondent 2 and 3 is still awaited.
Hmm?
Service upon respondent 2 and 3 is still awaited.
Respondent
Kindly
number,
grant us time to
You-
take fresh steps.
you are for the petitioner.
Petition. 7.
You are for the petitioner.
Lordship, I have an instruction to approve respondent 2 and 3.
Respondents 2 and 3.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
Okay. The notice served upon all the respondents. 5, 6 served.
Lordship, in this case, there are 3 respondents, Lordship.
3 respondents.
Yes, Lordship.
You are for 1 and 2.
Lordship, 1 is state and respondent number 2 and 3 is,
Oh, so the service complete.
yes, Lordship.
You want to file counter affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. So 2 weeks time may be granted.
The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the respondents 2 and 3, has prayed for some time to file the counter affidavit. I have also heard MS So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the respondent is allowed, least after 3 weeks.
Bless Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 26. Your Lordship, on behalf of my senior, Amula Elder, counsel for the petitioner. Your Lordship, my senior is on medical treatment. Kindly please the matter after 2 weeks' time.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Item number 26.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS So-and-so, appearing for the petitioner, prays for an adjournment on the ground that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. Who is your senior? Who is your senior?
Amula Elder, Your Lordship.
Anungla LKR is not available today. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the state respondents. The prayer of the petitioner is allowed. List after 3 weeks.
Yes, thank you.
Bless.
Thanks, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 36. Young for petitioner, I've received the affidavit filed by the state as well as the respondent 4. I may be given some time to file a reply. Alone.
The learned counsel, Mr. Joseko Forte, appearing for the petitioner, prays for some time to file a reply
Lordship,
in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents.
as well as the respondents 2 and 4.
As well as the respondents 2 and 4.
4. 1 to
Respondent-
3 is state and 4 is as prime respondent.
As well as as well as the counter affidavit filed by the respondent number 4. His prayer is allowed, least after 3 weeks.
Lordship, in respect of respondent 5, I may be allowed to take a service.
The petitioner is directed to serve notice upon the respondent number 5 by Dusty.
Returnable by after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Least after 3 weeks. Put that line at the end.
Lordship, if the date can be given, Lordship.
Hmm?
A date,
You suggest on date.
13th of November.
List on 13th of November.
Lordship is an interim.
The interim order passed list will continue until then.
Please, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Here I'm appearing on behalf of my senior counsel.
Hmm.
In this matter, we are yet to receive the instruction from the AG.
Okay. The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for a AZ,
Respondents
Responding 4 and 5, Your Lordship.
respondents 4 and 5, has submitted that he is yet to receive instructions and therefore prays for some time to receive instructions. I have heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the respondent is allowed, list
3 weeks.
up to 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 43, Your Lordship, for the petitioner, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here the sitting council is in support of Your Lordship, if the matter can come up after 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
43.
43, Your Lordship, for hearing, Your Lordship.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship, for the petition.
Who is your senior?
Your Lordship, here the leading counsel is Keduviza, so Your Lordship.
He is absent today.
Your Lordship is in support of.
The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the petitioner submits that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. Keduvi Zotso, is not available today on the ground, and on the ground an adjournment has been prayed for. I have heard MS So-and-so appearing for the state respondents. The prayer of the petitioner is allowed, least up to 4 weeks for hearing.
Please, Your Lordship, I'd
Yes.
like to mention item number 18.
18.
I've received the affidavit in opposition. So kindly grant me 3 weeks time to file my opposition.
You want to file a reply?
Yes, yes, reply.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, I'm for the petitioner.
The learned counsel MS So-and-so appearing for the petitioner submits that she wants to file a reply in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents and prayed for some time. Hard MS So-and-so appearing for the state respondents. The prayer of the petitioner is allowed, least after 4 weeks.
Lordship, I'd also like to mention item number 21, 22 and 23.
21.
22 and 23.
23. Yes,
22 and 23.
yes.
Here I've filed my affidavit in, affidavit in reply.
Lordship, the main respondent here is the Nagaland Lok Ayukta. Lordship, it appears that notice upon the Nagaland Lok Ayukta has been taken up by the petitioners and it seems to have been completed. However, they are yet to appear in this matter. The impugned order, Lordship, in this matter is the opinion given by the Nagaland Lok Ayukta, Lordship.
MS So-and-so appearing for the petitioner prays for some time to file a reply in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents. Stop. Mr. Anangami, the learned counsel for the state respondents, has pointed out that notice upon the Lokayukta served or not? Notice not yet served.
No, notice served, Your Lordship, by the petitioner. However, they are yet to appear, Your Lordship.
Notice upon the respondent, notice upon the Lokayukta has been served, but none appears for him. Yeah, I have considered the submissions made by the learned counsels of both sides. The matter pertaining to non-appearance of the Lokayukta shall be considered on the next date. The prayer of the petitioner to file reply is allowed, least up to 4 weeks.
Lordship, reply has already been filed. It was filed today, yesterday. Reply has already been filed.
Already filed.
Yes,
Now what do you want?
for listing it for admission hearing, but however, given
In
the
the,
admission
yes,
of
Lordship.
the
In the absence of the Lokayukta, Your Lordship, the matter,
It will be difficult.
yes.
The prayer of the petitioner is allowed, there is delete. Release this matter after 4 weeks for admission hearing. On the
Lordship,
next
there is interim, the three.
interim order parcel is
items.
continue until.
Deputy
Right.
Order.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 50.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, my senior has some difficulties today, so if the matter is from up to 2 weeks.
The learned counsel MS so and so, appearing for the petitioner, submits that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. Ejimoni, is not available today, and on that ground, an adjournment has been prayed for. Heard Mr. So and so appearing for the state respondents. The hearing is adjourned accordingly. List after 2 weeks for hearing. Yes.
Please allow me to mention item 38, I am for the petitioner. Here in complying with the order dated 18/1925, I have taken first steps upon respondent number 9, which is private respondent. My lord, if the report is still awaited, I may be allowed to serve to the notice for trustee. Upon private respondent 9.
Notice not yet served. Notice not yet served.
Actually, I have no update on the service report.
Item number 38. WPC 20. Still awaiting. It is still awaited. You wait for some time.
My lord, actually, we have served twice.
Hmm.
This is a second service, so if the lordship allows, I may be allowed to serve trustee.
Upon respondent number 9.
Yes, yes, no.
Heard the learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS so-and-so appearing for the state respondents. Seeing the office note dated 16/10/2025. The petitioner is directed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 9 by Dusty.
Yes,
List up to 4 weeks.
I would like to.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27.
37.
Lordship, here the state is here to file affidavit, so if 3 weeks time, we can file it to the Lordship.
37.
27, Lordship.
27. MS so-and-so appearing for the state respondents. Praised for some time to file the counter affidavit. Heard MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. You were also appearing.
Lordship, respondent 3.
Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the respondent number 3. The prayer of the state respondents is allowed. List after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, there's an interim if it may be.
The
continued.
interim order pastor will continue until then.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 44. Can we let this matter come up to 3 weeks?
MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. Praised for an adjournment. On personal grounds. Heard MS so-and-so appearing for the state respondents. The hearing is adjourned accordingly. List after 3 weeks for hearing.
Check, Lordship.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes.
Your lordship, there are 2 writ petition pending before this honorable court. To this item number, admission 2 entry, there is WPC 297 and 298, lordship. And then the filing of this present writ petition has been arisen from the 2 writ petitions. May I take you the relevant paragraph of page 25 of my writ petition? That is, this honorable court order dated 28/8/2025.
20 page number?
25.
Right. Yes.
Relevant paragraph 4. Taking into account the above, the instant writ petition stands adjourned for a period of 4 weeks, granting liberty to the petitioner in WPC 219K of 2023 to file appropriate proceedings challenging the communication dated then 9/2024, as well as the clarification so given ipso advice, lordship. So this is the reason I filed this present writ petition, lordship.
Okay.
As far as the present proceeding is concerned, he is challenging the communication, reaffirming the verification report, which is under challenge the Article 2 petition. Now, lordship, the verification of the land has been done as per the direction of this honorable court. This court has directed the deputy commissioner to verify whether he is a landowner. Now, on verification, it has been found that this is a community land donated by different individuals and clans, where the school is set up. Now, lordship, where the verification already been done and been reaffirmed by the said communication, whether by filing this writ petition, it cures his petition lordship, because we are raising the issue on the maintainability. Whether a disputed question of facts can be dealt by this honorable court in the writ under
Yes.
Article 226. And that has been recorded in earlier proceeding also, lordships.
Okay, today I will issue notice you filed a counter affidavit.
Okay.
Heard
He's just challenging the communication.
just I have seen it. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the. You are appearing for all respondents.
Private respondents, lordship.
Appearing for the private respondents.
6 to 15.
6 to 15.
16. 6 to 16.
6 to 16.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the state respondents. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondents as because the learned counsels representing them have accepted notice. Extra copy of the petition shall be provided to them. List after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
2 and 3.
Yes.
Item number 2 and 3.
Lordship, after 3 weeks, let it be disappointed.
No, for admission hearing. Item number 2 and 3, same order. Same order.
Lordship.
From the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 51.
Yes.
Lordship, this petition pertains to constitution of the VTP Management Committee of the Petitions Village Lordship. The petitioners are here before this Lordship against the appointment order issued by respondent number 2.
Secretary of the Village Development Board.
Lordship. Here the petitions are here before this Lordship, was the respondent number 5, 6, 7, 8, who were not selected or nominated by the plan, respective plans were appointed by the tribunal.
Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, rather 6, 7, and 8.
6, 7, and 8.
6, 7, and 8.
Okay, today I will issue notice.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. N. Angami, the learned counsel, learned senior government advocate, appearing for the respondents 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, Your Lordship, 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes, my lord.
1, 2, and 3. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondents 1, 2, and 3 as because Mr. Angami has accepted notice. Extra copy of the petition shall be provided to him. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondents 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. List after 4 weeks.
Lordship, I mean, they were later and be heard on the next date.
Next.
Yes.
Next
You
week.
see that on the next date.
Next date.
Next date.
You want a date?
Lordship will be taken out on the when the matter is listed. Taken out for that.
It will be, you want it for hearing?
Yes, I have a prayer that interim prayer to stay the interim judgment order.
The prayer for interim
Rather
prayer will be considered on the next date of listing.
No.
For orders, item number 40.
Notice served or not?
May his lordship, I'm entering appearance for respondent number 3. The State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, I am for the state respondent 1, 2, and 5.
Yes.
If I may be allowed to make a short submission here, my lord. Lordship, this case pertains to appointment of special teachers to educate children with special needs, your lordship. Now, the lordship, the a case was listed before the apex court, which is numbered as WPC 132 of 2016. 132 of 2016, which is annexed at page 97 of the writ petition, my lord. Now here, your lordship, by this in this WPC 132 of 2016, the Honorable Apex Court has passed an order dated 7/3/2025, directing all the states and the union territories to appoint teachers to educate to children with special needs, your lordship. Now, this present writ petition is born out of this particular writ petition 132 of 2016, your lordship. Now, your lordship, the state respondent has, in compliance to this Honorable Apex Court order, has issued a notifications dated 8 of August 2025. Lordship will find it at page 121.
Yes.
Now, these notifications pertains to an advertisement where contractual special teachers, education teachers, were asked to fill up the forms for appointment as a special teachers, your lordship. Now, your lordship, these guidelines, the Honorable Apex Court has directed the states to appoint teachers as per the guideline prescribed by the RCR, which is the Rehabilitation Council of India, your lordship. Now, this Rehabilitation Council of India has prescribed the minimum qualifications, which your lordship will find it at page 124. 124, your lordship.
Yes.
Yes. Now, your lordship, if you see at page 125, the RCI has categorized three categories of teachers. The first, your lordship, that is a preschool, nursery, and play school. The second category is elementary, primary, upper primary. And the third, your lordship will find it at page 126, secondary and senior secondary. The notifications, your lordship, dated 8 of August 2025, relates to secondary and senior secondary. Now, your lordship, when this matter was listed before this Honorable Court, I was asked to receive instruction with regards to the other two categories of teachers, your lordship. And when the matter was listed on 20 of September, your lordship, this Honorable Court has, by an order dated 29/2025, your lordship, has taken into consideration the instruction that I have placed before this Honorable Court, showing that the 25 posts relating to primary and upper primary teachers are on the process of conversion, your lordship. And therefore, by this Honorable Court order dated 29/2025, I was asked to get up-to-date instruction with regards to that 25 posts, your lordship. In the meanwhile, your lordship, the Petitioner Council also was asked to place the Honorable Apex Court orders on the next returnable date, your lordship. Now, your lordship, this matter, WPC 132 of 2016, was again listed before the Honorable Apex Court on dated, your lordship, 23/9/2025, where a direction has been issued, your lordship. If I may be allowed to place this Honorable Apex Court order before my lord. Lordship will see the date on page 4. The date of the order at page 4, your lordship, dated 23/9/2025. This matter was called for hearing today, your lordship. And the order starts from, your lordship, page 11. From page 11, my lord. I'll read only the relevant portion, your lordship. Allow me to read the relevant part, my lord. Para 1, your lordship. Pursuant to our earlier order dated 7th of March 2025, we have taken up the appointment process in respect of the state of Jharkhand, Punjab, Nagaland, Odisha, and NCT of Delhi for consideration. Now, our state, Your Lordship, is reflected at page 12, on the last para, Nagaland.
Yes.
And the decision operative part is there at page 13, starting from para 13, 14, and 15. I may be allowed to read these three para, my lord. Para 13. The state of Nagaland has filed an affidavit dated 19th of July 2025. It is stated that 36 posts of special teachers has been sanctioned, which has been notified on 28th March 2025. The affidavit further states that 46 contractual teachers has been identified and an advertisement has been published on 8th of August 2025, which we have just referred to, Your Lordship. Inviting applications from eligible candidates. It is also stated in the affidavit that on 23rd of July 2025, the screening committee have been constituted. Para 14. Mrs. Such and such learned counsel appearing for the state submits that there is a proposal to convert 34 posts of special teachers and that such proposal is under considerations of the competent authority. Your Lordship, this is the direction, Your Lordship. Para 15. We direct the state of Nagaland to carry forward the process of appointment and report development by 15th of December 2025. An affidavit of compliance shall be filed on that day, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, I'll be placing that particular letter where it says that 34 posts instead of 25, Your Lordship. We are converting 34 posts. We are converting 34 posts of primary teacher to that of special education. And which this particular letter, Your Lordship, has been duly placed before the Honorable Apex Court, where the Honorable Apex Court has granted us time up to 15th of December 2015 and to file a compliance affidavit, Your Lordship. This particular matter, Your Lordship, may be therefore be listed after 15th of December, Your Lordship, because we cannot adjudicate this matter, Your Lordship.
Yes. Mr. N. Angami, the learned senior government advocate. Has pointed out that in the writ petition within bracket civil 132 of 2016, the Honorable Supreme Court has given a direction to the state of Nagaland to carry forward the process of appointment of teachers and the report of development has to be filed by 15th of December 2025. According to Mr. Angami, $34 posts of primary teachers are being converted to special education teachers within bracket primary level. And the process is still going on. Mr. Angami has therefore submitted that this matter should be listed after 15th of December 2025. There. I have heard MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. You offer? Heard MS so-and-so appearing for the respondent number 3. List this matter on after 15, there all are holidays.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes.
Then in the new year.
Yes, Your Lordship.
New 2nd of January.
Your Lordship, registry may take steps to list the matter after 15th of December.
Okay then. Registry shall take steps to list this matter after 15th of December 2025.
Lordship. I'm deeply open.
For orders, item number 41.
May I proceed, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, this I is for amendment. This application for amendment the writ petition 149 of 2004. Your lordship may Lordship, with respect to in the writ petition 149, there was some typographical error while preparing the writ petition with mainly to the date. The excommunication order is dated 25/7/2024, but instead of that, in my
Okay, you make the corrections,
yes,
filing in amended.
Lordship, because there is no other pleadings also, but only the dates. Lordship may see it my paragraph 4. My paragraph 4, where I have stated that in those paragraphs, at paragraph 13, paragraph 19, 22, 23, 25, 30, 32, 34, 34, 43, and 44, instead of 31/7/2024, I have written 25/7/25. And in three paragraphs, three paragraphs, instead of 25/7/2024, I have written 31/7/2024. So those are the only typical typing mistake.
What Mr. P.V. Paul?
Foseco.
Foseco, appearing for the applicant. This application has been filed. Praying for amendment of typographical errors appearing in the connected WPC number 149 of 2025. Where I have considered the submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner. The errors pointed out are typographical errors. Therefore, the prayer for amendment is allowed. After making the corrections, the petitioner shall file an amended writ petition.
Lordship.
With the aforesaid direction, the ISN's disposal.
Lordship. I'll plus one.
For orders, item number 42.
Lordship, here this is an application for deletion of the party respondent. I am the respondent number 8 in the writ petition number 56 of 2027. Lordship, during the COVID, the insurance company, that is the applicant, they were entrusted by the Ministry of Finance to disburse the insurance for debt on debt. Here, Lordship, the petitioner has filed this application stating that we have not disbursed the insurance to the beneficiary, but Lordship, there was some dispute in respect of the petitioner. But in the meantime, the respondents won, and Lordship may the respondents won at page 10 have requested the respondent number 8 in the petition. The applicant, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Affairs, directed and requested the applicant to hand over all the pending original claim document with the supporting documents pertaining to PMGKP to the undersigned, along with the forwarding letter from the NIACL, that is the insurance company, signed and stamped. So in this respect, the respondent number 8, the present applicant, is not in a position to disperse or make any comments on the status of the petitioner's claim to the insurance. Lordship may also peruse page 14.
Yes.
Page 14 at the serial number 23. Here is the claimant. And it's disputed.
Disputed.
So it's still not has not been dispersed to him. But the present applicant, since the Ministry of Health and Family Affairs, the respondent one, has requested respondent number 8, present applicant, to submit all the documents we have submitted, and now the present applicant is before the Honorable Court, praying for deletion of the party erased as per number 8 from the petition. That's my prayer.
What is your reply?
This state wrong, Your Lordship. I have some reservation, and moreover, Your Lordship, the petitioner is absent today, so Lordship, if it can be passed over or.
Tomorrow, then Lordship, tomorrow.
Next,
inform the petitioner.
next Monday,
Monday, Lordship,
next Monday,
Lordship.
hard Mr. Koseka Pote. APD for the applicant, hard MS so and so APD for the state respondents. Release this matter on next Monday. What will be the date?
27th.
Release this matter on.
It can be on 30 because I have
30.
some personal difficulty on 27.
Release this matter on 30.
Thank you, Lordship.
Vice Mayor.
I disposed them.
Yeah.
Hmm? This is for the amendment. Amendment matter. In the read petition, item number 41, you write. This matter. After filing of the amended read petition. Official do.